Google Assistant on iPhone is now easier than ever to activate. Set up the Google Assistant app. Earlier than we dive in, confirm Siri is enabled in your telephone. Typically, Siri is on by default, but when you'll want to allow it, open Settings greater than Siri and search, after which toggle on the Pay Attention for Hey Siri slider. Open the App Store in your iPhone and seek for Google Assistant, then faucet get greater than set up. Enter your Apple ID if prompted. Open the Google Assistant app and sign up or proceed with a Google account. You will see a message about Google Companions working along with your Assistant. Faucet proceed. You'll see a request to permit Assistant to ship you notifications. Select both Enable or Don't Enable. When prompted, remember to permit Google Assistant to enter your microphone so the system can acknowledge your spoken requests. On the app's dwelling web page, faucet your profile image or icon to configure extra settings. For instance, faucet U to customize private data, faucet units to handle or add units, and faucet Assistant voice to decide on a voice. Allow Hey Siri, Hey Google. Subsequent, allow a Siri shortcut phrase that permits you to open the Google Assistant app with that phrase. Open the Shortcuts app in your iPhone and faucet the plus signal, plus. Faucet Add Motion. Seek for Assistant, then faucet Assistant beneath Apps. Faucet Hey Google. Toggle on Present when run, after which faucet Subsequent. Sort Hey Google as your shortcut's title and faucet achieved. Your new Hey Google shortcut now seems in your shortcut display screen. To make use of it, say, Hey Siri, adopted by Hey Google. You will see a message that claims, what do you wish to ask Google? The Google Assistant app will launch with the reply to your question. What you can ask Google Assistant on iPhone. Within the Google Assistant app, both faucet the microphone icon to speak to the app or faucet the keyboard icon and sort your query. Whenever you begin the app with a spoken Hey Siri, key Google command, Assistant listens in your request by default. What can Google Assistant do? Have Google Assistant discover your cell phone. Notably, Google Assistant will help you discover your misplaced iPhone. Say, Hey Google, discover my telephone to any Google Resident-enabled gadget, akin to a Wise Show or Nest Sensible speaker. Your iPhone will emit a customized sound even when it is on silent mode. To allow this functionality, you must go to the Google Residence app and choose into accepting notifications. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe. Don't forget to share.